Good morning, students. Welcome to the third class of Simple Equations of grade 7. In this module, we will see how to apply the concept of simple equations to practical situations. First of all, let us recollect whatever we have learned in the previous classes. That is, we have learned about solution. What do you mean by solution? It is the value of the variable which makes the statement true. To solve the equation, to solve an equation means you have to find out the value of the unknown quantity, value of the variable in that equation. To solve the equations, we have come across three methods. Out of that, trial and error method and balancing method are not that much practical. Finally, we have convinced with the transposing method to solve the equation. Now, transposing means it is changing the sides. While transposing the number, we have to change the sign. In transposing method, to solve the equation, the mathematical operations will be reversed. Let us recollect whatever we have learned, the rules. Plus operation, addition operation will become minus operation when the terms are transposed in an equation. To find the solution of the equation, our purpose is to find the solution of the equation. We have to transpose the terms. While transposing, we have to follow the rule. Minus operation will become plus operation. Multiplication operation will become division operation. Division operation will become multiplication operation. While reversing the operation, while transposing the terms in an equation, we can find the solution of the equation. Let us translate this question in word format to algebraic equation. You know to translate word statement to algebraic equation. Once you get the algebraic equation, you know the rules, you know transposition method to find the unknown quantity, to find the value of the variable. Thereafter, you can find the solution to the problem. Now, a number is subtracted from 2 by 5 and the difference is multiplied by 10. The result is minus 16. Find the number. Very easy question. How to find the number? You don't know the number. Let us assign the variable x for the number. The number is subtracted from 2 by 5. So let me write x is subtracted from 2 by 5. Right? And the difference. This is the difference. So you have to bracket it. Next, it is multiplied by 10. I will not write multiplication. It is near the bracket. If you don't write anything, it is understood that it is multiplication. When it is multiplied by 10 and simply in algebraic simple equations or algebra, we will not write multiplication symbol because it confuses with the x. So the result is 16 minus 16. You got the equation. Now you have to transpose first 10. 2 by 5, how to transpose 10? 2 by 5 minus x. Yeah, you have to transpose 10 to the right side. It is multiplication here. Then the opposite operation is division. So it is minus 16 by 10. Minus 16 by 10. Let me write in fraction form so that to make the calculations easy. Now 2 by 5 should be transposed to the other side. Let the minus x be here. Let me write minus 16 by 10 minus, it is addition here, it is plus here sign. So it will become minus 2 by 5. We cannot subtract directly. We have to take the LCM. 10 is the LCM. So let me write minus 16 minus 4 divided by 10. It is minus 20 divided by 10. You have to recollect the rule of integers. When minus number is divided by plus number, you will get the answer as minus 2. So minus x equals minus 2 now. minus x equals minus 2. So x equals multiply with minus 1 on both the sides. You will get the answer as x equals 2. So x is your required number. Therefore the number is 2. Yeah. Let us move to the next one. Shiva's mother is 40 years old. Her age is 10 years less than 5 times Ramu's age. What is Ramu's age? You have to find out Ramu's age. Shiva's mother's age is given. It is 40 years. Ramu's age we have to find out. Let us assign x for Ramu's age. Now Shiva's mother's age is 40 years given. We need one condition to get an equation. The condition is given here. How her age, Shiva's mother's age, is related to Ramu's age. It is given in this statement. We have to analyze this statement. Already it is 40 years given. Let me write it as the left hand side. So for our convenience, her age is 40 years less than 5 times Ramu's age. Ramu's age is x, right? Ramu's age is x. Now 5, what is 5 times x? It is 5x, right? 10 years less than 5 times, less than this number, right? So it is 5x minus 10. Yeah, it is equal to, but her age is given as 40 years. We have this very easy sum. Transpose x, transpose 10 to the right side, 40 plus 10, so x equals 50 divided by, okay, let me write 50. It is, you have to transpose 5 to the other side. It is multiplication here, it will become division. So x equals 10. So final answer you have to write. Ramu's age is 10 years. Don't forget to write the unit as years. Don't write only simply 10 number. It is 10 years. Read the next question. After 15 years, Salma will be 4 times as old as she is now. Determine her present age. We have to find out Salma's present age. Read the condition. Let Salma's present age be x. Okay. After 15 years, suppose my age is now 10 years. After 15 years, how much it will become? You have to add 15 to the present age. 10 plus 15, it will become 25. Now the Salma's present age is x. After 15 years, her age will be x plus 15 years. Right. Let it be x years. Yeah. X years. Now how they are related? She will be after 15. We got Salma's age as x, present age. After 15 years, her age will be, it is very easy. You have to add 15 to the present age, x plus 15 years. Now, how it is related to the present age? The condition is given here. Salma will be after 15 years, 4 times as old as she is now. Now, after 15 years, x plus 15, it is equal to 4 times, 4 will be 4 as old as she is now. Is here. 4 times x, right? You got the equation. Now 15, keep the number here. We have x here on both the sides of the equal sign. We have to collect x variable on one side and the number on one side. Then left side will be equated to the right side. Let me take x to the right side. Already it is 4x. He is here. Let it be 15 here. Let me take 4x to the, I am transposing x to the other side. While transposing, you have to apply the rule. it is plus x here, it will become minus x. So you will get 3x. Now you have to transpose 3 to the left side. It is multiplication here. You have to divide 15 by 3. Now x, right side you got only x value. It is 5. Answer is 5. So Salma's present, write the answer now. Salma's present age is present age is 5 years. Let us move to the next question. If 5m minus 2 by 2 equals minus 11, find the value of 2m plus 3. 5m minus 2 divided by 2 equals minus 11. Transpose 2 first. Right, left side you will get 5m minus 2. First we have to find out the value of m. We have to find the value of not only m, we have to find the value of 2m plus 3. But for that you have to find the value of m first. Then now to find the value of m, we have to solve this equation. Now 5m minus 2, keep the numerator as it is. 2 is there in the denominator. Now transpose 2 to the other side. It is the numerator is divided by 2. So it will become multiplication now. It is minus 22. Now 5m, now transpose minus 2 to the other side. How you will transpose? It will become plus, right? So you will get, now you have to recollect integer rule to get the answer. You have to be careful. It is minus 20. Now transpose 5 to the right side. It is multiplication here. It will become division. Right. So you will get the answer as minus 4. You have to find it is not enough if you find the value of minus, if you find the value of m now. We have to find the value of 2m plus 3. Now you got the value of m as minus 4. It is plus 2. It is plus 2 into, I will not write the multiplication sign here. M is equals to minus 4. Now minus 8 plus 3. It is equals to minus 5 is your answer, final answer. Yes, we are at the end of the lesson. Hope you are clear in transposition rules and equations and transposition rules and to find the solution of the equation. Here there is self-assessment question without paper and pen. Try to get the answer yourself. Otherwise watch the video once again. Try to recollect the rules, then find out the solution yourself. The two questions also very easy. So if you like the video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.